didn't really make a video last week because I had a terrible cold. You wouldn't have wanted to hear the sound of my voice last week. But I am so excited because now I have something really new and exciting to talk to you about. You know, this is the time of year when everybody wants to have a makeup lesson, makeup tutorial, a personal makeup lesson. Maybe you want to, go and spice up your look for the daytime and then turn it into a night look. But you don't really want to go shopping for products at Ulta or Sephora. I mean, I even find them overwhelming, but it's like a kid in a candy store for me. I wanted to introduce you to a professional brand that is in my kit and that is on my face right now. And Terry Tomlinson, she is a professional makeup artist. She owns a school in Texas. She created the Flesh Tone Color Wheel. She teaches you about undertone, what colors go with blue eyes and fair skin and your hair color. So Terry Tomlinson Makeup. And if you go to my website, joyabeauty.com, you're going to see a link to her site. Now, when you come for your personal makeup lesson, we're going to take into consideration your face shape, your eye shape, what you want your end result to be. How much time do you want to spend putting your makeup on? Do you go out? Are you on Zoom calls or FaceTime? So it's all very customized. I don't have a set program that I'm going to follow. It's all going to be based on you. So I wanted to show you, I just got these. So we're going to use these products. And then if you like them, I do not get any compensation for these products. I direct you, we write down all the ones you like. You can make your own palette. Do you want one eyeshadow color, 2, 3? Most people don't want 18 like me. So we'll use all these colors to design your personal palette. So the eyeshadows are elegant. They've got a nice sheen to them, not glitter. And then there's a blush. There's all these blushes that you can pick from, and we will put together a palette for you. Maybe you're warm, maybe you want a color that could be a bronzer, and then there's some setting powders right there. But again, 1, 2, 3, whatever you want. We have some lovely cream wheels that we're going to pick from because I like cream. I have cream. I have actually this warmer one on my skin right now with the bronzer. We have a concealer wheel that I'm going to teach you how to use because not everybody is one thing under their eyes or, different spots on their face. And then there is Terry's liquid makeup. Now, I have 2 shades on. I have number 1, which is here, which is my highlighter color. And then I have number 3, which matches my skin tone perfectly. So I have 5.5 colors to choose from. We will do color matching, which I've taught you to do already, is on your décolleté, not just swiping down the chin. So now, if you live locally and my schedule allows, I can come to your place. We can look at what you have for makeup products and incorporate them into your new palette. So give me a call, 603-534-3412, and let's make an appointment. This is a perfect time of year to do this because it's gonna snow 2 feet here in New Hampshire. So let's chat and we'll talk about it and we'll put together your personal makeup tutorial based on your face shape, your eye shape, eye color, skin color, and like I said, end result, and how much time do you want to spend on this. Thanks for listening. Talk to you soon. Bye.